Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world, whatever time of day it is. This is Rachel, also known as Ditsy Diamond Painter, with an unboxing. Am I doing this yet? No. However, it's a new company, Mindfulness Diamonds, and it's my first ever mystery canvas. So, it came really battered. I ordered this on the 16th of March. It came yesterday on the 1st of June. So I've waited a long time for this. A really long time. So it came and it was all kind of squished and squashed and yeah. It was proper battered. But it's a mystery. Oh, so it's all blues. Oh. So let's have a look at the kit. So this is Mindfulness Diamonds. Like I said, I've had to wait a long time. So you get a white tray. Small white, very small white tray. A few baggies. Do you know what? I sometimes think, why bother? If you're not going to put decent ones in, just save yourself that pence and a white pen. Some decent wax. That is really decent wax, actually. And, yeah, the tweezers that don't do anything. I'm not a fan of them tweezers. So that's the tray. I only paid £20, I think, for this, actually. £22, something like that. It was off Mr. P for Mother's Day. So again, I never bought it, so I've not broke my no buy. Well, I have, but not on that, not on this. So it's a 50 by 70. Let's roll it back. I don't know what the drills are going to be like. Did I get a round or square? I got a square. I prefer to do working square. It is like, I like the fact it's poured glue, because I've noticed a lot of these mystery canvases seem to be double-sided adhesive. And I have no idea what it is. So let's have a look at the canvas. It's like a felt back. A bit like the Timney Art. There's another one that's a bit like this as well. Scallops and serge edges. So for 20 quid, this isn't bad. It's got 35 colours. Very pale. It's weird that the legend is in colour. It's alphanumerical. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's what we like to see. It's in baggies by the looks of it. I'm not doing a very good job, am I, of keeping you in camera. So can you see what it is in there? I have got no idea. It looks like an awful lot of blue. I did order it. It's supposed to be fantasy, because I'm a fantasy girl all the way. Oh, it's got ABs in it. Oh, it's got a few ABs in it. I didn't even notice them. It's got 3 ABs. So let's have a look. So it's all pinks and blues, which screams mermaid to me. But I could be very wrong. Let's have a look. Let's go for a little swim into this, because I've never even looked at a canvas, so it's perfectly clear. There is no. If you hear noises, the binman and that are due today. Gonna focus. That's perfectly clear anyway. So 35 colours. Let's measure this. Listen to your elevator music while I get me unicorn tape measure. So it says it's 50 by 70. No, it might be right actually. Yeah, 50. Looks smaller, 50 by 70, because I've been doing such large kits. I'm sure it isn't. By, says 16. No, it's not. That's me not holding it properly to the. Yeah, so it's true to size, 50 by 70. Because I've seen a lot of people, and the reason I ordered it this big, even though I've never done one before, is I've seen some do mystery kits, and because they're so small, they're not pretty to look at after. Do you get what I mean? So I'd rather go big and at least know what it is after I've put the drills on. But some of them it's been confusing when I've looked. So we've got greys, purples, pinks. So we have a look. Let's have a look at some of the drills look like they're thrown in, but I don't know if customs had a go at my these. So, oh, there's an AB. So it's a pink one. 605. So we've got 159. 33, 154, 414, 819. I could do this for DP next year. DP Grey in May for brain tumour awareness, but $210 AB. Oh, I love the colours. Them colours are lovely. We have 5200 white AB. We've got 153. 156. 3609. 3041. 823. I presume these are acrylic drills by the looks of it. 3042. 798. So there's bits of blue, purple. 162. Big old bag of 3799. 158. 797. 3838. So there's blues, purples, 930, 553. One of these big bags, 413. Greys. Dragon, maybe. 336. Because I am not seeing what it is. It looks like blue's the background, doesn't it? So 160. 3834, 3807, 939, 3743, 554, bit of cream, some cream, maybe isn't that? 3840, 316, 3727. Now if you're one that loves blinging up a good painting, I would presume that this is not the right ones to do because you can't tell where they've got to go. But we will try and have a look at where these ABs are going to go. Which is harder because... Right, I'm just going to pause and then put these drills. And ta-da! So we have got 3 drills, and I've got to try and find the symbols within the symbols. So we have got a percent sign, a Y with a line sign, and a bracket. Right, okay. This is going to be fascinating. I bet it's going to take me ages to do this, just because I use the colour so much to find. I don't know what it is, people. So there's some percent. So the percent is the purple in here. Y with a line. So there's some percent there. I mean, it's simple, easy to read this. So there's a normal Y, and then there's a Y with a line. I don't even know why I'm trying to show you where they would go, because it makes no relevance, does it really? I don't know what it is. Oh, so it goes there. That's the white one. Some in there. So there's spots within. Oh, who knows what it could be. So for the price, it's not bad at all. What the drills are like, I don't know. I don't know until, because I think Mindfulness Diamonds are actually the old diamond painting factory. And I've got one from them that I've not done. But this is a new company, it's a different name and whatnot. So yeah. Mindfulness. So it's got the website down the bottom. Doesn't put the social media or anything on there. I don't even know if they've got a social media. I've not looked for them, to be honest, on social. It's got a little emblem at the top. Size and the number. So that, I mean, that's, I don't know if I'm going to say it's going to, I'm really chuffed I've got it, but at the same time, a little bit deflated, because I've got no idea what I'm doing, to be quite honest. None at all. But I think this might be my next canvas, because I've been waiting for, I just really want to do one. Is it going to be easy? No. Because when I get in the zone, I'm going to have to really concentrate. But what I might do with this one, that I don't normally do, with double-sided, with board glue, is I might put cover sheets on it. What do you think? I might do cover sheets, you know, release papers. This is my plan. And then I'm going to put numbers on the release papers, shuffle them up, put them on the paper, and then go by each one. What an idea. Just to make it that little bit more, what is it? So yeah, see them symbols better on there. Yeah, I'm very, I am happy with it. I am disappointed it took so long, because I did even message them and it was kind of, oh, we've been in lockdown, but I had the shipping thing before they went into lockdown, so yeah, I waited a very long time. Oh, to be fair, I thought it was lost. I was going to give them till actually next week. It's only because it's a bank holiday here now. Give them to June and then ask for my money back, to be honest. But no, it came just in time. By the skin of the teeth they got in there. I like the colours. Blues, greys, purples, pinks, 3 ABs in there. That was a nice little surprise. I wasn't expecting ABs in it. I don't know what the quality of the drills is going to be like. I think they're acrylic, to be honest, but I don't normally check what drills they are. I'm not fussed as long as they're decent. As long as they don't pop. That's the most important thing. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get all this put back away. Oh, sugar. I need to keep that in there. The only thing I have noticed as well is that I need to check this canvas for one more thing, because there's a really nasty crease down there, and I don't know if it's in just the the cover sheet, or whether it's through on there. Yeah, can you see that? There's like little puckers, which can sometimes make your drills pop up a bit. So what I need to do, should we check the sticky? Yeah, sticky. I think it will be alright actually. Where it is. I might roll it, but not put the drills in it, because this is where it's been bent in that, because that box was really squashed when it come in the post, just with the courier yesterday. I might roll it but not put it back in the box and put it on my shelf. I think that's what I'm going to do. So that's me with a mystery diamond painting. £22. I think it was free shipping as well, you know. That's probably why it took me 3 months to get here, because it was free shipping. Yeah, I don't think I paid shipping on it, because Mr. P would have moaned about that. And it looks like it's going to be really pretty, whatever it is. But you can pick like a genre and what you want. So I picked fantasy. You can pick floral, landscape, animal, I think was another one. And then you can pick sizes and what drills you want as well, which I really like that. At least you're going to get a diamond painting in something that you're going to like doing, if that makes sense. So I will soon let you know. Well, it's going to be my next project now. I'm currently working on Spaceman and His Dog, and I'm currently working on My Alice in Wonderland by Amandine Jung from Oraloa, from my 2 events. So this will be the one now that I do afterwards, because it's a present as well. You kind of feel, but I really want to just do a mystery painting. So I don't think I'm going to be doing any events next month, because I want to do this one. We'll see. We'll see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press that thumbs up. I'm going to love you and leave you, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye.